Interest rates stay high, buyers fail to qualify, deals die at the bank. While most investors sit on the sidelines, a small group keeps closing. They are not applying for new loans. They are stepping into existing ones. On March 23rd from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., I am teaching a full-day subject to investing workshop. Join me in Duluth at 1960 Satellite Boulevard. This is how investors buy houses without banks, credit checks, or new loans. Here's how it works. The seller signs the deed. The existing loan stays in place. You control the property. Little to no money down, no new mortgage qualification, and you can repeat the process again and again. You learn how to talk to sellers about subject to in a way they understand. You learn the paperwork, the structure, how payments and insurance are handled. You learn where investors get into trouble and how to avoid those mistakes. This is not theory. We walk through real deals, what worked, what did not, why they closed. You leave with a clear process you can apply to your next lead. If you are tired of losing deals over financing, this changes how you invest. Be in the room on March 21st. Learn the structure. Start buying houses without bank loans. Reserve your seat now. Click on the link below to register.